Hi guys, Penny here, and we're going to fireworks. There's big bonfire, and here's me, Kira, my mom.
Arriba.
And there's Eva.
This
This is gonna be so good. Okay? This is so amazing! Whoa, whoa! Yeah. Seems like it. Yeah, dia go, dia. Cut up the time. I can't make my video.
Yeah.
I give up. I had to. Kayla, leave me alone. Okay. I have to use them with my camera now. Guys, stop. It's gonna take a while for me to take my videos, and because I have high school now. WS1, everybody! Man, well, this kind of feeling is kind of orange, but I think why it's yellow. It's kind of yellow orange. Hashtag color, oh, down the way. Team, yeah. Hashtag color, yellow. Come on. Right, come on. Oh, wait, there's my coins over there. What's that? Firework. Oh, yes, 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 he did! He did! He did! He did! He did! Oh, my God!
How is that?
That was insane!
You're waiting for the next one.
I'm definitely putting this on YouTube!
That's just not on YouTube, Cat. You'll see the catch with it.
Yeah. But I'll find a way to put it on YouTube. Actually, there's a video camera on it. And what is this? I'm not sure Mom that one. But then I have to put them on. And then I have to put them on public. Then you can be seen all around the world. And that's cool, right? Guys? Oh, here comes the next one. Here comes the next one. Let's see what it is. He died, roughly. What's here? Look at this hell. What kind of hell? Oh my eye! The fireworks everywhere! Whoa! Thing is about to go yay! Yeah, right? Man, those fireworks are never gonna end, man. They're never gonna end. They're never gonna end. Woo. I think I've been saying the best one in all of town. One of town. Here we go. That's it! On the plus side, we do have that bonfire. Let's zoom out. They like the music here. It's kind of cool. Oh my goodness, what was that? I firework! Wow, we don't know the sun. This is so cool! Yeah, but it is, Ryan. Gun?
Want a gun? Want a gun?
No, that's all! Goodbye, guys. Go on.